Hello students, I am Joyce ma'am. Today I'll explain the first chapter in English of Standard 9th. The chapter is The Fun They Had by Isaac Asimov from the book Beehive. The story shows us the importance of the present school system. The main characters in the story are Margie and Tommy. So as I told you before, the story depicts the importance of the present school system. As we all know that in this present school system, as you people go to school and have the other students also with you, and a human being also teaches you, that is a teacher. But this story is written in an assumption of a future, that in future how the studies the children will be doing. And the main characters, Margie and Tommy, they both are brothers and sisters, a mechanical teacher who is the computer screen, and a robotic teacher. The story is written in 1951, not knowing how studies would be in future. So this story was written in 1951, and at that time it was not at all known to the writer that how studies the children will be doing in future. The writer thought, if there won't be books, how the children will study. So in this story you can see the writer has expressed his thoughts that in future without the books how the children are going to study. The story The Fun They Had was written in future, that is 17th May 2157. So the year you can see as you start reading the story, The Fun They Had, and it's written in the future. The date is also given in the chapter, 17th May 2157. And the two main characters in the story are Margie, who is the younger sister. Her age is 11 years, and her brother Tommy, who is 13 years old. One robotic and a mechanical teacher also. So the characters which are there in the story, so other than the two, Margie and Tommy, one we can see a robotic teacher and a mechanical teacher also. Mechanical teacher is the computer screen on which Margie punches her assignments and homework, from which she got the marks evaluated. So as I told you earlier that this story is written in future, that in future without the schools how the children are going to study. So for that, in this way Margie and Tommy used to study on the computer screen. They were getting their assignments and homeworks, and they were supposed to do it in the computer itself, and from those assignments and homeworks the marks were given to them. For that it's written which she got the marks evaluated, means the marks she got it from the assignments and the homework which they used to do it in the computer. So the story begins with Margie was writing something in her diary at night. So it was night time and Margie was writing something in the diary. She wrote that Tommy found a real book. So this was the thing which she was writing in the diary, that Tommy, her brother, who is 13 years age, so he had got a book. It's written over here real book, because Margie is such a girl and Tommy is little bit elder to her, so for that he was aware about a book, but Margie had never seen a book in her life. For that it's written real book, because when from her childhood itself, whenever she was learning, she had seen the computer only, and on the computer screen the studies were written. So she had never seen a book in her life. For that she is writing in her diary as Tommy found a real book. Margie had heard from her grandfather that when he was a boy, he went to school where children sat together and a teacher came to teach them. So when Margie was writing in the diary and she had wrote that Tommy found a book, so she was only aware about those things that her grandfather had shared with them, that when he was a boy, he went to school where children sat together and a teacher came to teach them. So these were just the thinkings, the thoughts which were there in Margie's mind, but she had never seen such a type of school in her life. When Margie saw Tommy with the book, she asked him about the book, for which he replied, school. So when Margie saw Tommy with the book, so when Tommy was sitting with the book in his hand, so Margie asked that what is it and what is it written in the book. So he replied for it that it is written about a school. Margie wondered that what can someone write about a school, as she disliked school. So we can see Margie's thinking over here that she did not like school, because for her school was just a computer sitting over there and just answering the assignments and the homeworks, the slots which were coming on the computer screen. So for that she disliked school. For that she is telling a statement over here that what any person can write something about a school. Always she used to get less marks in her geography test. So this is one reason we can see over here why she disliked school. So she was getting different slots on the computer screen. So in her geography test always she scored less marks. So for that she was not liking school. Margie is remembering about an incident that when Tommy's mechanical teacher was not working properly at that time, the county inspector took days to repair it. So over here we can see that the geography sector was not giving her marks. So for that her mother was thinking to show it to the county inspector. So as we'll proceed about the county inspector also we can see. So he is a person who came to repair the computer. So for that she is just remembering an incident that when Tommy's mechanical teacher, as I told you earlier, mechanical teacher is the computer screen. So it was not working properly. The reason was that his history sector was not working. It had become totally blank. So for that at that time it took days for the mechanical teacher to be repaired. So for that Margie was very happy that the same thing was going to happen with her also. The county inspector will take the mechanical teacher and she won't be studying for few days. When her grades were coming less, her mother thought to show the county inspector. She was very happy thinking that it will take time. As I told you just now that her grades were coming less in the geography test. So for that her mother thought to show it to the county inspector. So for that she was happy that it will take time, same like Tommy's mechanical teacher was not working. It took time to be repaired. So for that she was thinking same way that it will take time for her and she won't be studying for all those days. County inspector was a round little man with a red face. So this county inspector, as I told you earlier, he was the one who used to repair the mechanical teacher when it was having any fault. So it's the county inspector's physical description which is given, that he was a little man with a round structure with a red face, and he gave an apple to Margie and told not to worry, he will repair it soon. So the county inspector gave Margie a very positive response that he will not take time to repair and he will repair it fast and give it. So for that Margie was disappointed, as she thought it will take days to repair, same like Tommy, but within 1 or 2 hours the mechanical computer was repaired. So for that Margie was disappointed that she thought that same like Tommy, the mechanical teacher will take days to be repaired, but it was repaired fast. So all her thinkings of not studying for few days had all gone in vain. The county inspector told Mrs. Jones, that is Margie's mother, that the gear was set higher, so she was getting less marks in geography. So her age was based on her age, so which was 11 years, so the gear was set higher. So for that reason she was unable to give her geography test and she was getting less marks. So the county inspector told her mother that he has lowered the geography sector and now she will be able to score proper marks in her geography subject. Scene continues in which Tommy was reading. So till now we could see just a conversation, the thinking which was going in Margie's mind related to the mechanical teacher getting repaired and all. So for that, in between, the scene is being continued in which Tommy was reading and Margie was asking about the book. Again, Margie asked Tommy that why should anyone write about school? The same thing she asked before also, that because she was not aware about the old kind of schools. So for that she is asking Tommy again that why a person should write anything about a school. Tommy replied that the old kind of schools were different from the ones they have now. So Tommy was little older to her, so he was aware about the old kind of schools. So for that he replied, explaining her that the ones which she is aware about the school, that is about a mechanical teacher and all. So for that he is told that the old kind of schools are different from the ones they have now. In the old kind of schools, children sat together, studied together, and a real person, that is a human being, used to teach them. So Tommy is explaining to her still more that in the old kind of school, children sat together, they studied also together, all the children, and a real person means a human being, used to teach them. That is, a teacher teaches the students all together. So listening this, Margie started wondering and asked, how can she allow a stranger to come in her house? So now she started thinking that a real person, that is a human being, a teacher, comes to teach. So for that she is thinking that how she can allow a stranger to come in her house to teach her. Tommy started laughing and behaved he was little superior to her, saying she doesn't know anything about school, because as I told you earlier that Tommy is older to her. So for that he is laughing and behaving as if he is superior to her and telling that she doesn't know anything about a school. Tommy then made her understand that a real man had more knowledge than a mechanical teacher at that time. So he started to compare that a real man is not a normal person, it's a teacher who is having proper knowledge and then they are teaching the students. So for that he is telling that a real man had no more knowledge than a mechanical teacher. So the mechanical teacher with which he is comparing and trying to make Margie understand about a teacher. But Margie was just questioning, how can a man be smart? So for that again there were questions in her mind that how can a man be compared with a mechanical teacher. At that time Tommy told that his dad also has more knowledge than the mechanical teacher. So about a stranger before he told that was a teacher. So now Tommy is comparing the mechanical teacher with his dad. That is dad who is a human being. He also has more knowledge than the mechanical teacher. Now they had not even completed half of the book. At that time mother calls Margie as it was time for her school. So as they had not even completed half of the book, which I told you that was the situation, Tommy was reading the book and telling Margie about the old kind of schools. So at that time they had not even completed half of the book. At that time mother called Margie for the school. As I told you earlier, school in the future won't be as going in a building and go and learning with other students. It was just beside her room only. So for that mother is calling that it was time for her school. But Margie was interested to know more about the schools, so she told later, but her mother doesn't agree, telling that it was time for Tommy's school also. So Margie was interested to know more about the schools because Tommy was explaining and telling him about, and she was wondering how the old schools might be. So for that she was interested to know about the schools, but her mother doesn't agree, and she told Tommy also that it was his time also for the school. That day she had to do arithmetic addition of proper fractions. So that day we can see means the time when Margie and Tommy were reading about the book and their mother called them for the school. So that was the day when she was doing arithmetic. Slots were there on the computer screen, and in arithmetic she had given addition of proper fractions. Margie was not at all attentive as she was constantly thinking about the old kind of schools, how children study together, play, laugh, shout in the schoolyard, and help one another in homework. So, whatever things were coming on the screen on the mechanical computer, Margie was not at all attentive because constantly the thinking about the old kind of schools were coming in her mind, because these were the discussions which she was doing with Tommy. So for that, the same thinkings were going on in her mind, and she was just assuming that how children, and it would be so much fun that when children study together, they played together, laughed, and they shouted also on the corridor. And Margie was just thinking about the fun they had. So this we can see about the chapter, the fun they had, which is the topic. So this is the same thing about they had means that is now the schools that you children study. So in future, the children remember that in the past they had lot of fun going on in the schools. So the story ends over here, students.